Hi there everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Aya here. In today's video, I am excited to show you how to create two unique card styles using just one die. I will be working with the beautiful Chelsea butterfly die from Simon Says Stamp. This die features a stunning layered butterfly with ruffled wing sections and intricate body details. To get started, I will be using this adorable lilac shimmer platinum die cutting machine to cut out multiple butterflies from different colored cardstock. After die cutting, I will add a bit of dimension and depth by shading with a slightly darker ink color from Altenew, using Tim Holtz mini blending tool to create a subtle shadows on. For the butterfly body, I will color it with a black Copic marker, giving it that a perfect finishing touch. Now let's bring some extra sparkle to these wings. Instead of layering on another die cut detail, I have decided to go with glitter. I am adding a touch of liquid glue to the wing edges and dipping them into a holographic glitter. Look how magical the sparkle is. This is a fast way to add a sparkle to your die cuts. With the butterflies all set, let's put together the first card. For this one, I am using a discontinue MFT die to create the card base. I will blend the border using the same colors I used on the butterfly and add a splash of iridescent watercolor for the extra pop of shimmer. For the second card, I have got a pre-made grateful. I am grateful for you guys for watching my video. Okay, back to the card. I have got a pre-made gatefold card. Okay, that was mouthful. Gatefold card ready to go. I am layering 3 butterflies down in the middle and then adding a bunch of Nuvo drops for some extra fun. Honestly, I'm a bit torn about the drops, but it was so satisfying to add them. Here is the final look at both cards, and as bonus, I have added a surprise third card at the end. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.